very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to your EVS1 class. So we have completed our fourth chapter, that is skeletal system, and today we will be doing the leftover workbook questions. Okay, in the last class we have completed some of the workbook questions. So today we will be continuing with the leftover ones. Okay, so before going to the questions, let me just give you the summary of this chapter, what we have learned in this chapter. So our chapter is a skeletal system. So here we have learned about bones. Yes or no? Yes. So our body consists of many bones. At birth we have 300 bones, but when we grow up, then our bones started fusing, and at that time we have 206 bones. So joints are the places where two bones meet. Example, knee, elbow, yes, your shoulder, hip. Okay, all the bones in our body together form the skeletal system. Yes, we know that the bones together forms to have our skeletal system. Now the important parts of the skeletal system are the skull, that is your brain. Yes, next is your rib cage, the chest bone, and the backbone. Yes, our backbone. Okay, the skeletal systems give shape and support to our body. We know that one. Yes, if we don't have bones, then we will be just hanging. Yes or no? So our bones gives the shape and structure of our body, and the bones also protects the internal organs. Yes, as I said already, that our chest bone, that is a rib cage, protects our internal organs, our heart, our lungs. Yes, and also help us to move. Yes, it also helps us to move. Next, we can keep our bones strong and healthy by eating healthy food. Yes, doing exercise and maintaining good posture. Yes, always sitting straight, standing straight. Yes, okay. Now a crack or break in a bone is called a fracture. Now the fracture will be able to detect with the help of an x-ray. Yes, an x-ray picture will help the doctor to see the fracture in the bone. Now a plaster is the treatment for fracture, which will keep the bone in the correct position and also helps in healing. And we have also seen about some exposed skeletal system. We have seen that some animals, they have a skeletal system outside the body, and who were they? The examples were snail, tortoise. Yes or no? We have also seen about butterfly. Yes, okay. So this was the key points in this chapter. Okay, so now we will move to the leftover questions of the workbook. Okay, see here, we have done till question number 15. So from 16 we will be doing what helps the cracked bone to set. Yes, what helps the cracked bone when you get a fracture, or when you have a fracture, then what helps you to set the bones? Yes, so what helps? It is the plaster. Yes. Next, Rajat always sits straight while doing homework. Is it right or wrong? Why? Now, for maintaining a healthy and a strong bone, what do we have read? We need to have a good posture. And what is the meaning of good posture? Sitting straight, standing straight. So if Rajat is always sitting straight, yes, so is he maintaining a good posture or bad posture? Yes, he is maintaining a good posture. Yes or no? It will make his bones healthy and strong. Okay. Next, Piyush doesn't take leafy vegetables and pulses in his meals. Is it right or wrong? Yes, you have to take leafy vegetables in your meals. Yes or no? We have seen, to make the bones healthy and strong, we need to have the leafy vegetables, the green vegetables in our diet. Yes, so Piyush is wrong. Yes, Piyush is wrong. Okay, next come to question number 19. What it said? Number the sentence in the correct order. So there are 4 sentences. You have to number it accordingly to its positions. Okay, that means what will come first, second, third and fourth. Okay, we will see the sentence one by one. First is, the doctor put a plaster around his hand. His father took him to the doctor. The doctor asked him to get an x-ray of the hand. Puneet fell while playing and injured his hand. So what will be the first one? The first one will be Puneet fell while playing and injured his hand. After that, his father took him to the doctor. Then the doctor asked to get an x-ray of the hand, and the last is the doctor put a plaster around his hand. This is the sequence of the sentence. Yes or no? So the number D will be your number 1, number B will be your number 2, number C will be your number 3, and number A will be your number 4. Got it? You have to arrange it in a correct sequence. What will come first, second, third and fourth. Understood? Okay. Now we will move to the last page. Chetan has bought stickers of some animals for his project. He wants to identify the animals having shells on their body. Help Chetan by drawing a circle around the animals that have a shell. You have to circle the animals that have a shell in their body. So first one is a crab. Yes or no? It has a shell. Second is number B, snail. Yes. Number C is a snake, so it doesn't have. Number D is a tortoise, it have a shell. Number E is a frog, it doesn't have. And the last one, number 5, is an oyster. Yes, so it has a shell. So your answer will be A, B, D and F. Clear everyone? So we have completed our 4th chapter. So in the next class we will be starting our 5th and the last chapter for PT1. Clear? So you have to note it down, all the answers. I have discussed the questions. You have to write down the answers by yourself. Clear? So we will stop it here.